In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails by sender in Outlook. This is a quick and effective way to organize your inbox, making it easier to find and manage emails from specific people. Let's dive right in. First, open up Microsoft Outlook. If you don't have the app installed, you can access Outlook through your web browser by visiting the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the sign in button. Click on that, and if you're not already logged in, enter your email and password to sign in. Now that you're logged into your Outlook account, navigate to your inbox. This is where you'll be performing the sorting task. Your inbox is usually the first place you land after signing in, and you should see a list of your emails displayed in the center of your screen. At the top of your email list, you should see a filter section with an up and down arrow icon next to it. This icon represents your sorting options. Clicking on this arrow will bring up a drop-down menu with various options for sorting your emails. To sort your emails by sender, look for the option that says From and select it. This action will automatically rearrange your emails based on the sender's name, grouping emails from the same sender together for easy access. If you want to refine your sorting further, you might want to arrange the sender list in either ascending or descending order. To do this, click on the up and down arrow once more to bring back the sorting options. This time you should see A to Z or maybe Z to A as sorting options. Click on A to Z if you'd like to arrange the sender names in alphabetical order starting from A, or select Z to A to sort them in reverse order. And that's it, you've successfully sorted your Outlook inbox by sender, allowing you to manage your emails more efficiently and ensuring you never miss an important message from key contacts again. Remember, this organization method isn't permanent, so if you want to revert back to a different sorting method, just click the arrow again and choose another option. Being able to quickly and easily sort your emails can save you time and help you stay on top of your communication. Feel free to experiment with other sorting options available in Outlook to find the setup that works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your email management that much smoother.